Hey guys, this is Wes and welcome to your 12th Java tutorial. Yet again, I'm pushing back nested if statements to videos so I can go over multiple classes, and the reason being is I think it will clear a lot of things up, and this is going to be a two-part series, and then I'll get back into the control flow statements and the looping statements and all that. So first thing we're going to do is I'm actually going to create a new project because Hello YouTube has been basically misspelled for the last 8 tutorials, and I'm just sick of looking at it. So we're going to create a new project. We hit next. We're going to name the package and the class cookie, capital C, cookie, finish. And then we are going to create a second class, new file, of here. We're going to call that dough. And as you can see, if you remember, package is a group of related classes and interfaces, and although I haven't got to interfaces yet, you can see cookie, the class cookie, and the class dough is part of the package cookie. So that should clear up a little bit about packages. We're going to delete all these comments, which I'm highly sick of. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to start in our dough class. We're going to create a method. We are going to, and as you can see, this is public, so other classes can access this class dough. If it was private, then we couldn't access it from the cookie class. So we are going to say a public method void. Remember, just write as I write, and I'll explain it more thoroughly afterwards. Public void. We are going to call this method do stuff with empty parameters for now. Oops. Okay. We are going to do a system.out.println. And we're just going to say hello. Now, let me show you guys something. If we tried to run this, it wouldn't print out system.out.println. And the reason being is I went over this before, but I didn't have an example to show you because I didn't have multiple classes. In this package, we have two classes, cookie and dough. What Java does is it looks through all our classes, which in this case it is now 2, and it finds main, and then it starts executing code from there. And since there was nothing in there, it just didn't do anything. So in order to access this class dough and get the system.out.println, if you remember the way we did it with the scanner class, we have to create an object of the dough class in order to access the methods within inside of that class. So the way we do it is the same way with the scanner class dough. We're going to call it, which dough is the class, dough object. That's going to be the name of it. Equals, well, that's plus, equals new class name dough, and we're not going to pass it any parameters for now. And then we are going to, this is how we access, remember like Wes.nextLine, when Wes would be referring to the scanner class and nextLine would take in a string and we'd assign that to a variable. Well, we do it in a similar way. See, dough object is now referring to the dough class. So we do dough object, and then we do a dot separator, and then we type in the method, which is do stuff. So we can just hit enter, and as you see, do stuff does prints line hello. So we are going to file, save, and run this. And as you see, it said hello. And the way this worked, I'm pretty sure I explained it kind of well, but we had to create an object of the dough class in order to access the methods within inside of the class dough. And in this case, there's only one method, and it's called do stuff, there is no parameters inside of it. Then all we had to do is dough object, which is what we are now using to refer to the dough class, a dot separator, and then the method do stuff. And as you can see, the do stuff method, system.out.println hello. That should be about it for this tutorial. It's going to be kind of short. The second one is going to be a little bit longer, but it's going to explain better. It's going to make it all make sense. I'm actually going to remember how we did something like this, where we did we created the object of where we passed in system.in when we created the object of the class scanner and the parameters were system.in. But we're going to do something similar with this. We're going to pass in parameters to the method. I mean, you'll see. I'm kind of just rambling on for no apparent reason, but alright, I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Like, comment, and subscribe. Alrighty, thank you.